Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing a skit, and I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to try to guess it. 1, 2, 3. If you guys guess a day in the life of a slime scammer and squishy slime scammer, you guys are right, because I'm doing that. And also I have two challenges, and they're kind of the same thing. Hit the like button with your nose in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. If you guys did it, comment down below and write hashtag I did it. And also, if you guys subscribe, hit the like. There's 4 steps. 1, subscribe. 2, like. 3, hit the notification bell. And 4, write hashtag I want to be a part of the slime jar. And you guys will be a part. And also, you guys will be a part of the slime and squishy slime/squishy squad. So yeah, let's get started. I have an order today. What is it today? So she wants a pink cherry blossom slime in a flarp container. Okay. I have a pink cherry blossom slime in a flarp container, but it's actually a flarp. I don't think she'll mind. I'll just give it to her. So yeah, I'll just give it to her. In the bag it goes. And I only have a certain bag on that. And yeah, and then the next one she ordered a sky blueberry in a flarp container. Oh my gosh, I have a really good one. I have a really good one. This isn't it. This is another flarp. But I don't think she'll mind. I'm not showing you guys the blue one because it will take way too long. I love it. And yeah. Now she wants a Captain Hook squishy. Like, I mean, I have this. It's my Captain Hook squishy and I love it so much. So, I'll just give her this cute bunny that I made. So, and actually I'll just send her one of these card games. I don't think she'll mind. And then oh, I forgot to put this in here. Yeah. And wait, here it is. The next thing she ordered was mysterious slime. I have this mysterious slime, but it's really good. So, yeah, and I don't want to let it go. So, I'm just going to give her something else. I don't think she'll mind. I'll just give her this really bad peanut butter. I don't think she'll mind. It's fine. So, yeah. Let's see what she ordered. She ordered a pig squishy, a slow rising pig squishy. I have this really slow rising pig squishy, but it's my favorite squishies. So I'm not gonna give that to her. It's fine. I'm gonna give her this really bad pink bunny with a lot of defects, but I don't think changed her mind. It's still pink. So throw that in there. And what's the last thing she ordered? The last thing she ordered, really? Glittery Galaxy? This is my favorite slime. Glittery Galaxy, this is my favorite. But, really good. So, I'm not going to give her that. Yeah, I'm just not because it's really good. And it's my favorite slime, so I'm not going to give it to her. So, yeah. Oh. And the last one. And I'm just going to give her this basketball squishy. So, yeah. Let's just put that in there. And I'll see you guys when it's all delivered. Ooh, what's this? What's this? She sent me her camera to video what I got. Ooh. So let's see what I got in my package. This is a weird bag. I didn't know it was a Chinese food bag. Well, let's just see what's in here. And also I have them all labeled. This is my pig sushi that I ordered. Guys, do you see that? That's so bad. I'm definitely emailing this. But let's just look and see what's
Chloe, I'm so proud of you.
What's this? Hold on, what's this? I ordered a mysterious slime and I got this bad slime. It's like so bad. Oh my gosh. And these containers, look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's just see. What is this? I ordered Glittery Galaxy and I got this. It's so bad. Oh my gosh. Let's just go on to the peanut cherry blossom slime. Okay, that's what it looks good. It's in a florp container. Oh my gosh. This is florp. I am so mad at this person. Oh, look at it. I mean, seriously. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it glows. Because I asked it to glow. I wanted a glow cherry blossom slime. And it's florp, so I don't think it's going to glow. So, let's just try. Look at this. It doesn't even glow. Do you guys see that? That's insane. It won't glow. I'm so mad. Okay, let's just go on. Just because I don't know why, even though this person is so bad. But I'm just gonna try. So, yeah, as you can see, this is a florp. And if you guys know, I love pink. And yeah, let's just put this in there. It's like so annoying. This person is so annoying. Okay, let's go on to the sky blueberry. Oh my gosh, this person is so bad. This is person definitely messed up my order. But let's just go on, because I kind of ordered a lot of stuff. So, yeah. Is this an extra? What is this? I ordered a Captain Hook squishy, and I got homemade. I mean, seriously. What is this even? Look at this guy. This is so bad. Does it even do the moves that I love to do? Let's see. They're so tiny. Oh, I don't have all the cards. This doesn't do the move that I love to do. I am going to be. I'm going to send this person literally to jail. Legit to jail. Because it's just, I just don't like it. This person. She's like so mean. And she's just the meanest person. So, I just hate it. But, I mean, it's okay. Let's just try to do the move. And this is all the stuff that I ordered. This is the last thing. So, if this doesn't do the move, I will be... Oh my gosh, let's try this again. Because clearly, these cards are like so bad. So, let's just try it again. Ready? Okay. Let me try again. Okay, it did it that time, but all the other times it didn't do it. So, I really don't like this. So this was a terrible package. So never ever order from Cow Pal Goods Line. So that was today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Remember, it was a skit. And yeah. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, and comment down below. Let's go. I'm just kidding. I'll send you like I'm wearing a relaxation. Bye.